Okay, next is how to create YouTube remarketing audiences or retargeting audiences. What we do is we click on Tools and Settings, we go to Shared Library and Audience Manager. Okay, wait for this, and now you will see that we have a blue button here. We can click on the blue button, we can choose YouTube Users, and here you can see the channels that you have got connected to your ad account. Okay, you can choose the one that you want to work with, and basically you can choose some parameters here. For example, viewed any video from your channel. Okay, so you can choose that, and if anybody watches any video from your channel, they get added into a remarketing list that you're going to name up here. So I can just call this one YouTube channel and give your channel name. Okay, something like this. And you've got other options in here as well. The one that we're going to be using within traffic sculpting is viewed certain videos. And the reason we're doing that is because we want to build up different audiences in related subtopics. So I will have for YouTube promotion. I will do some ads for YouTube promotion specifically. And if I've got a specific ad that is about a specific topic that I'm going to use, a specific set of ads I'm going to use for this remarketing audience, and all I'm going to do is choose those specific videos that if somebody watches any of these videos that I've checkboxed, they will get added into this particular remarketing or retargeting audience. Now next, what we're going to do is we're going to come down to the membership duration, and you can see here we can have a membership duration of 30 days but up to 540 days. What we would do here is we would switch that for 540 days, and we click on create, and that will create your remarketing audience. There's no pixels needed to do this inside YouTube. Just if somebody watches the specific videos that you have identified, then they will get added into that remarketing audience.